Guys, this time we're gonna install a CL dimmer switch from Lutron. This is a single pole or three-way switch, which means they can be installed either on a three-way light switch or a single light. Okay, we're gonna install it on my daughter's bedroom, which I just put some hi-hats. So this is the outlet. As you can see, is the dimmer slides up and down on the top and the rocker on the bottom, the on and off. On the back there's only 4 wires. So we got green, black, red and white wire, right? So let's take a look on the diagram. So as you can see here, this is gonna show you what you have to do on a three-way or a single pole. Alright, so we need the single pole, the one on the top. So what it's showing is we're not gonna use the red and white. Okay, if we were using a three-way, we were gonna be using all the wires. Okay, but because we are now, we only gonna use 3 of the wires. Okay, we're not using the red and white. So pretty much what it is the green goes with the ground, the red goes to the feet, and the black goes to the light. Alright, it's pretty simple. Okay, so this is my switch right now. As you can see, it controls the hi-hats in the room. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cover plate off the wall plate. So this is a flat screw. I'm using a small screwdriver because if it's too thick, it's not gonna fit into the little screws. Alright, so this is the switch. Here I already pulled the switch out, so all the white wires are connected together. So remember, the ground goes to the ground, the bottom wire right now, the black bottom wire is coming from the feet, and the top black wire is the one that goes to my hi-hats. Okay, so I'm gonna do all the connections, then I'm gonna show you. So here I already did all the connections. So remember, I canceled the red and white, so the green goes to the ground, the red goes to the feet, which is the bottom black wire, and the black goes to the black, which goes to the hi-hats. Okay, let's see if it works. Lights on, lights off, lights on, then yeah, the dimmer works. Yeah, it works. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty simple. So I'm sure that my daughter will love this. She's gonna be happy. She's not a big fan of a bright room. Okay, so I'm gonna put the switch inside the electrical box, then I'm gonna show you how it looks with the wall plate on. Here is. on and off on the bottom, and the dimmer goes up and down. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again, and have a great day.